Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we are revisiting brands that we forgot about part 2, because I technically already did a part 1, which was on Black Radiance, but this could really be considered part 1 to me, focusing on the brands I talked about in the video, brands we forgot about and where are they now. You know, I talked about Revlon, Stila, Smashbox, some other brands I can't remember right now, and I figured I would do a video revisiting those brands, but since I technically already did a video like this, that's why it's called part 2. But as you can see in the title today, the first brand from that video, if you guys haven't seen it, I'll have it pop up, have it linked, something like that, is Revlon. And I think the reason I'm doing it first is because in that video I was like, one of the hottest celebrities out there right now is your brand ambassador. I'm gonna need you to give that more energy. And you know, they must have heard me, because Revlon sent me a package, which is pretty late because I think this is the Halloween collection, but it is a package for a set of Megan Thee Stallion's favorites, so that's what I'm going to do a video on today. If you guys want to see that, then let's go. So these are Megan Thee Stallion's Halloween essentials. You guys know she calls her fans the hotties, so the packaging is on theme, and this says ready for your hottest Halloween yet. You know, it's November 9th, something like that, but okay. We teamed up with Megan Thee Stallion, who handpicked her favorites from Revlon with one goal in mind: bold Halloween makeup. And can I just listen, this is the energy that I need from Revlon, okay? Because besides this being on theme and whatnot, it's a Halloween themed set. You open the stuff up and it's all wrapped like candy. Listen, to me, that's adorable. Again, on theme. I don't know what anything is, but let me go ahead and unwrap this. I mean, it's a little excessive on the wrapping, but I already figured out how I can reuse this. So let me pull everything out. Like come on, look at that. It's adorable. But I'm also easily impressed. Actually, I'm easily impressed by packaging, so the fact that brands just be dropping the ball says a lot, all right? Because wrapping an eyeshadow palette like some candy has me over here like, aw, and y'all still find out ways to drop the ball. Okay. So as far as eye products, this is what I'm seeing. This is their Revlon Color Stay Insider. Looks like this. You look a little, some of them shades. Okay. This is their cream eyeshadow, bold. It's a pretty color. And then this is their lid line lash. So it's got two different shades here. Let's see what we can come up with. We're gonna start with the eyeshadow palette first. I'm just gonna use these 3 colors in that order: this one, then that one, then this one. Yeah. I feel like I used Revlon eyeshadow not long ago, but I can't remember how I feel about it. I know I did, but well, let's go. And I mean, technically, I guess it's not using anything new from Revlon, but it's revisiting them to see what they're putting their focus in right now and seeing if they're focusing in the right direction. I mean, hey, they're getting us to use things that they already have, so it's not like they have to bother with coming out with anything new. And I mean, they're getting us to do that by putting Megan's name on it. So listen, all right, Revlon, I see you. I see you. This is the second brown shade. I guess just deepen the first one up. The last brown eye shade. Let me do it on this eye first because I don't have a hair clip for the other side of my face. Oh, can you still couldn't even see that. So I want to use this cream shadow. Let me find out how to open it first. It has a little pop out brush, so I'm gonna try using it, see if that makes a difference. Let me load up some products. Yeah, I'm not gonna like this, but yeah, no, it was too like tiny hands makeup challenge for me, so. Okay, you know, it took some build up, but once you get it to where you want, she cute. It took a lot of build up though. Just saying. I'm gonna finish it off with this eye art using this shade and just pat some on for figuring out where I want to actually blend it out. Yeah, I don't know about this one, y'all, unless I didn't use it right, which is possible, but it says that it's a cream eyeshadow, but y'all saw it came out like pretty much water, so maybe it's just this one. Tried, you know, like mixing it up, moving it, it still did the same thing. So I don't know about that. Maybe it is just the one that I received, but it came out pretty watery and I didn't want to blend. It's a little patchy, so I just put more purple over it. We're just gonna move on. Do I want to even bother with the glitter side? Okay, the glitter side did more for me than the shadow. You're not gonna see it once I put lashes on anyway, but there's no complexion products in this, and the only other complexion product I have is from Revlon. From Revlon is the foundation, which I'm gonna use in today's video, but I'm just gonna fast forward through the rest of that and be back the next time I have like one of the other hottie things to unwrap. Oops, well, I thought there were at least like some blush products in here, but no, the rest are just liner, which I use the glitter as liner, and lip products. So let me remove this and then we'll come back and do the lips, I guess. So onto the lip products, y'all. I'm seeing things that I like. Y'all know I love me a good red lip, but look at this color. Tell me this is not the perfect fall color. There are also two bullet lipsticks that look like, ooh, that look like the, oh, is that straight up black? That is straight up. But wait a minute. Okay, okay, Revlon had me in the first half because some of them eye products. But, and then this one looks like this. I'll be back. I'm gonna line my lips with black just a little teeny tiny bit, just a little bit, because you know you don't wanna overdo that. Oh, I still have lip balm on. Like just that much. Yeah, let me pick up this shade. Smells like candy too. Like Jolly Ranchers. Should we do bright red or bullet lipstick? Plum? Oh, these are vinyl lip polishes, by the way. I feel like y'all already saw the decision was made when I put one down. Worst case scenario, if I don't like it, I can just go over it with one of the other ones. And that is it for my face today. We get to end the video on a happy note because the lips save the day. Because the eyeshadow products, listen, the eyeshadow palette, maybe it's just the colors that are in it, but it was just kind of, it was okay to me. It wasn't doing that much, but again, might just be the colors. These, you know, they blended okay. They showed up nicely for the three shades that I did use. I did use this purple shade on my bottom lash line, and that's doing okay, but again, it's just left me with okay by the end of my look. If anything, I was most impressed by this, which was the cream eyeshadow, the purple. But like I said, it did take some build up as well, but you know, affordable. So if you don't mind that, then you'll like it once you get the actual, you know, pigment that you want. But I'm letting you guys know that you got to build up pigment. So really, from the eye products that I tried, this is really the only one. I'm sure they've got other colors that I would pick up another color if I was in the drugstore or something like that. But let me tell y'all, the lip products, okay, these vinyls, besides the fact that they smell amazing, hello pigments, hello color, hello being that type of not matte product, but not satin product, but not a gloss product that's just gonna get all over the place. You know, it's a vinyl lip product, and it's, yeah, you know, once you take your first drink, something like that, like you're gonna lose some color, but the pigment is there that your lips will, it'll be more than stained. You know how when you try some lip products, your lips are just stained, like you tell, oh, you had a red product on your lips before, like it'll be past stained, but you're still gonna lose some products when you put these on your lips. So definitely would want to see any other colors that they have in these, and again, they're products that play nicely with other products, because I use them with the bullet products as well. The bullet lipsticks, they are, you know, a little more of a satin, soft matte finish, especially the black one more than this shade right here. I feel like at this point, you know, if you like bullet lipsticks or not, satin bullet lipsticks, matte bullet lipsticks. So I don't really have to tell you much about that. Just if you like it, find a color that you want to pick it up in, but it's really the lip products that saved this video because it was looking rough in the first half. Oh, wait a minute. They sent this eyeliner. Is this brown liner? Is that brown? Like this. Oh, it's like a purple, like a really deep purple, which again, this is a Halloween collection, so it makes sense, but it's like a really deep purple liner. It's one of those like rolling ball type liners. I have to try that on the eye to see how that actually goes. But yeah, it's the lip products from me in this video. So that is it for this video. Like I said, nothing new, but seeing what Revlon is focusing on right now and focusing on their brand partnership with Megan is a good idea, because using Megan was really the way you're gonna get me to try some of these products. But look at that, I tried them. I saw products that Revlon already had, just never tried any of this stuff, and I'm interested in these vinyl lip products. I'm interested in this cream eyeshadow, so we're on the right track, Revlon. We're on the right. And listen, this foundation, why do we stop hyping her? I guess because we found other foundations, but okay, Revlon. Okay, all right. So this is the second one I did. We found some gems in the Black Radiance one. We found some gems in this Revlon one. It's really the brand. If you're watching, it's your fault, really, because y'all be having good stuff. You just don't know how to market it. So let me know which brand I did in the brands we forgot about. Where are they now? You guys want me to do a video on next? I was thinking Smashbox or Stila. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I hope, you know, seeing me test out some of the things have helped you see anything new that you might want to check out, or anything that you had your eye on, just wanted an opinion on. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Now I had to come back and show y'all. So y'all know after I film the video, like, I take the makeup right on off. So I go to take my lashes off. I don't know if you can see it on the lash, but when I tell y'all, it took the whole line of glitter off with the like, what? The whole thing is gone. You know what? Revlon, these vinyls saved y'all, I'm telling you.